Overwhelmed, jubilant, ecstatic, so many things can be added. The opportunity being given to receive the vaccine first in the state of Ganjam, and I'm really thankful to the Almighty from bottom of my heart for the same. And to put things into perspective, actually Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Odisha has picked 16 doctors to be the first recipients of vaccine across the Odisha, and thankfully I am one of them. All credit goes to definitely the district administration and the district health officials, and I was the lucky one to be able to interact with the Honorable Chief Minister Sri Naveen Patnaik sir and the 5T Secretary Mr. V.K. Pandian. So it was very brief one, it was very memorable one also. We all understand that this is the decisive fight against the coronavirus, and we are just at its inception. So I have come prepared with different points. First of all, I will be addressing you because my duty is to help spread the message about the vaccine. So I am going to talk to you about 3 points, 3 common questions that we face in our day-to-day life, and some unanswered questions as well. And I would like to request all of esteemed you and the parents who are going to listen to this audio or video clip to spread the good word among the society. So first point is, what are these vaccines? So as you all understand, because we all are going through different media and different social media forwards, as of now 2 vaccines have been approved by Government of India under the EUA clause, that is Emergency Use Authorization Clause. Those are Covishield and the Covaxin. Covishield is prepared by Oxford University of United Kingdom in association with UK pharma major AstraZeneca, and it is basically manufactured in India by Serum Institute of India. And the other one is Covaxin, which is a purely indigenous vaccine manufactured by indigenous technology by Indian vaccine major who is Bharat Biotech. So you all understand that coronavirus is an mRNA virus. The RNA is a genetic material which helps the virus to grow rapidly in the body and produce all sorts of symptoms and complications. And on its surface, there is a spike protein. You all must be aware by this time. So the spike protein is the one which helps the virus attach to different cells of the body. So first let us come to the Covishield, which is prepared by Serum Institute of India. What they have done is, they have picked up this spike protein and they have attached this spike protein to one variety of adenovirus which is known to produce common cold in chimpanzees. And what is the fun of combining these two? Because spike protein does not have the RNA component, if you inject only the spike protein, it is not going to enlarge in numbers in the body. So for it to enlarge in the body, the adenovirus is tagged. So once the adenovirus is entering into your body, the adenovirus will replicate in numbers, it will grow in number. So also the spike protein which is attached along with it, and the body's immune cells will be producing antibodies which are our protective agents against these spike proteins. So that is the basic mechanism of action. And then what about the Covaxin, which is produced by Bharat Biotech? It has basically inactivated the whole virus. The whole virus is rendered inactive, impotent, so that once it enters into your body, it will not give rise to infection, but it is sufficient enough to stimulate your immune cells to produce antibody. So these are the 2 vaccines that we have. So you all understand that for a vaccine to be approved, there are 3 phases: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Phase 1 is a safety and immunogenicity trial in animals. Phase 2 is a safety and efficacy in a small number of human volunteers. Phase 3 is a long-term study encompassing large number of human volunteers, which will be again looking at safety and efficacy. So the regular approval comes only after the phase 3 is complete, which takes years together. You all understand, earlier years we used to decade of 15 years, but the vaccine which was developed earliest before COVID-19 vaccine was the mumps vaccine. So here what they have done is, in both the vaccines, the phase 1 and phase 2 data is published and is available in the internet. You can all go through. There are 3 phases of vaccination. Phase 1 is for the health staff. Phase 2 is for the other frontline warriors from district administration, the police department and the defense personnel. So phase 1 and phase 2, the data will be uploaded by the respective departments onto the CoWIN application. Now you all must be having a question. We are listening to CoWIN, but it is not available in the Play Store and the App Store, isn't it? But fact is that it is going to be online only when the phase 3 comes, when people above 50 years of age or below 50 years of age having any of the comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension, chronic lung, kidney, liver, heart disorder, they will be roped in. So now all those who have been registered by the respective departments onto the website, they are invited. It's called AEFI, which is defined as Adverse Effects Following Immunization, and there lies the main role of a doctor who is going to observe you for 30 minutes post vaccination. The AEFI team consists of a senior medicine specialist and dedicated 4 to 5 nurses. 4 to 5 beds were there, and some of you might be aware of the term called anaphylaxis, which is an extreme form of allergy which can sometimes block your airways and you will be finding it difficult to breathe even. And the drugs needed to treat it are epinephrine, some vasopressor drugs, some bronchodilators, oxygen, some drips. All these drugs were, to my utter surprise, were in pre-filled syringes, what we generally see in Western countries. So I was very happy, I was very relaxed, and thankfully I didn't find any adverse effects, and I am happily in front of you. And the last point is, what would be the clarion message that I am going to give to you. First point is, please go through the internet, don't fall prey to the negative messages that are going around. In fact, I have posted one good message yesterday also. One of the scientists, Dr. Fahim Yunus from US, has quoted rightly that there are probably in the US as of now 40 million vaccine recipients, but 400 million rumor mongers. Because rumor mongers do not require phase 1, 2 and 3 trials. So don't fall prey. This is absolutely safe, 100% safe, efficacious to the tune what we need. Please do come forward and vaccinate yourself.
Russian President's interview, he said that if vaccine is being manufactured sometimes in future, that we'll put vaccination of first set of doses to the doctors, then the teachers. Because the doctors have to protect us first, then the teacher has to produce the doctors. Only the teachers can produce doctors.
Vaccine is safe, don't worry. Till vaccine you get, you follow SMS and the all following what we are doing for last 8-9 months.
Good to everyone, dear family members. Today we are very confident. We are in our work cheerfully, happily and comfortably because of certain caretakers. You all know, I know what are caretakers. Our journey is endless. We have to make our journey, we have to plan for tomorrow, we have to achieve our goals for tomorrow. For this, we need confidence. When things are right, surrounding you, then only we will be confident. We are worried, you are scared, and we are really threatened like anything by this COVID-19 virus. Today we are vaccine asila, ambar ponchu korchi, kintu vaccine asila ponchu korchi kolken bhoy godatu monade. So bhoyta dur kariya pe none other than our Sunil Kota is an exemplar.
Honorable management members, respected principal sir, and staff members, both teaching and supporting staff of DPSS. Good morning to all of you. It's indeed a very, very special occasion to all of us, to the family of DPSS. Never we expected that this kind of occasion will come and we will celebrate. Usually, I go through the calendar of DPSS in the year beginning. What are the holidays and what are the observation days? But in any observation day, this kind of observation is not mentioned. So this is totally a surprise, sudden, and shockful one way. So whatever may be, I am extremely delighted when I went through the message given by our principal sir that there will be a meeting, a felicitation meeting being organized by DPSS to Dr. Sunil on this grand occasion.
Dear staff members and management, I am very proud to say that Sunil Bhatla is my son-in-law, but not feeling as a son-in-law, as a son. You will be surprising to say such things. Today morning I wear the shirt and he has come and put the shirt in buttons, because buttons are not able to, for me somebody should help. So yes, I already suffered a lot of things. And God has not given a son, but now I am not feeling that I am not having a son. Son-in-law is nothing but my son. With this, I am very proud, I am very happy to see the situations of the day-to-day life of Sunil. Every day, after dinner, he takes 2 hours reading. So the value of that is great, and I am very happy and very, very much feel sensation in my heart. Thank you.
Kota has been continuously rendering his expert advices right from the onset of this pandemic in association with district administration, various social organizations, different media houses and health officials. I believe this is the apt recognition to his deeds. I would like to thank the team Delhi Public Senior Secondary School for providing him with this wonderful platform to carry out his assignment in spreading the awareness to the masses. Thank you, one and all.
आज विशेष अवसर में DPSS परिवार वर्ग आपन सम्मान सूचक कोरोना योद्धा भाव सम्मानित करी निजको गौरवान्वित मन करूछि। आपनकर उत्तरोत्तर उन्नति कामना संगे संगे भगवान आपनको दीर्घायु करंतु और एभली जनसेवारे आपण निजको उत्सर्गीकृत करबा दिगरे सहायक होंतु। आपनकर एही महानियता समस्त ध्येय हेउ। आज विशिष्ट अवसर में उपस्थित बुद्धिजीवी वरिष्ठ जन और मोर सहकर्मी वृंद आपको हार्दिक धन्यवाद जनाऊँ। यही महत् कार्यक्रम में समस्ते उपस्थित रही कार्यक्रम को गरिमावर्धित करने जो पुनः धन्यवाद जनाऊँ।